Before you begin, remove the top cover. And speakers. Removal. Remove the 3.5mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the left speaker to the base enclosure. Lift the left speaker off of the alignment pins on the base enclosure and set aside. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the two USB board ZIF connectors and disconnect the two USB board ribbon cables from the USB board. Remove the two 3.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the USB board to the base enclosure. Lift the USB-C bracket off of the USB board and remove. Lift the USB board off of the alignment pins, guide the external connectors out of the cutouts in the base enclosure, and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the USB board.